The Kerala state government took initiative for the restoration of historic Iranikulam Sree Mahadeva temple under the Maziris Heritage Project. According to Hindu mythology, this temple is one among the 108 Shiva temples built by Parasurama. Centuries-old inscriptions are found in the temple. The temple is popular for its architectural perfection and sculpture. A round-shaped sanctum sanctorum called Vadasrikovil, dual towers and a huge Balakalu sacrifice stone are the major attractions of the temple. We renovated the Thekadath temple, Vinayaka temple, Namaskaramandapa, Theravathra Mandapam, without affecting the historical significance. We hope that with the renovation, we have been able to restore the temple to its past glory. Thank you to everyone who supported the successful completion of this project.